All right guys, today we are making the perfect weekend getaway bag. Ta-da! It fits everything you need for a getaway. So we've got a hat, perfect. I think we're going somewhere sunny. Got sunglasses, yep, definitely sunny. We've got duct tape. Okay, that's it's a little unusual, but you know, duct tape can be pretty handy. We have some garbage bags. Okay, yep. 100% bleach. I'm not really following. Rope. Okay, we've got some passports. We've got multiple passports. Okay. Who is this? What is this foreign money? Oh, there's a note here. They are lying to you. You need to get away. Watch this DVD to remember everything? Okay. That is crazy. Okay, this is probably nothing. We're gonna go make this bag. Okay. Let's just start making this bag. Okay. So today we're going to be making this duffel bag. The pattern is going to be free for the next week, and then after that, if you're watching this beyond a week, you can purchase it on our Etsy shop. I will also leave very basic free design plans if you want to try to make your own pattern as well. This pattern is actually probably the easiest way to make a duffel bag in my opinion. I will explain why in a bit, but if you want to make a duffel bag for the first time, this is a great pattern to get started. So highly recommend trying this out, because if you can make a tote bag, you can make this duffel bag. If you can't make a tote bag, you might still be able to make this duffel bag. I'll also be coming out with a few more videos of how to line this bag and an actual complete full build video with a little bit more details and instructions on how to actually fully build this bag. Okay, remember when I said this is probably the easiest way to make a duffel bag? Well, let me explain. At this point, this probably looks pretty familiar. If you've ever made a tote bag with box corners, this pattern is essentially an oversized tote bag with a very large base. Unlike other duffel bags, there's no gusset panels, and that makes it way easier to sew on a flatbed sewing machine. And also, if you're hand sewing, that means you can just line up your two pieces and hammer using your chisels. No need to hammer holes separately and tediously count your holes to make sure they line up. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed that video. If you enjoyed it, please hit the like button and subscribe so you don't miss out on more free patterns. Thanks so much for watching. I'll see you in the next one. That is crazy. Like, why would anybody still have a DVD player?